going to demonstrate single applications of the hook grab palm strike. These are isolated techniques taken from the form at regular speed. Hook grab palm strike against a incoming punch. This technique is called Mantis offers the peach. You want to parry the energy upward from the strike. Point of contact is the wrist and the elbow, and simultaneously executing a right cross kick. Or also known as a lifting kick to the groin. Double parry up and lift up kick to the groin. Here we'll demonstrate the cross kick against a punch and executing a reverse punch, pulling down the hand, executing a palm strike to the face and a cross kick to the groin simultaneously. The Mantis system is known for aiming high and attacking low so as to deceive the opponent that the fake attack is up high but the real attack is down low. The fake is to the face but the real attack is down low. This next technique is actually a demonstration of the usage of the roundhouse kick followed by a straight punch into the opponent's rib midsection. We also see a defense against the roundhouse with the double parry. Sifu Jeff Ruflot utilizes a roundhouse kick, and Sifu John Cheng does a double parry to move away and deflect the energy of the roundhouse kick. However, he receives a punch to the midsection.